Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello, Jorge here. I'm so glad to introduce you to the B Garage. Hello, Mark.
Hey, how are you doing?
So the good thing, I want to introduce you to this product that I've been working for more than a year. I've been doing a lot of testing. Actually, I'm using it for more than a year, and I eventually contacted to Mark too because I know he's a seasoned marketer and say, hey, Mark, what do you think about this? Do you think we can have this as a product? Because this is actually working for me. So over to you, Mark.
Hi guys. Right. Okay. So I'll be as quick as I can. When Jorge first came to me with this, I thought, oh, software. Oh my goodness. And then I looked at it, and my first thought was, oh, okay. Can I get access to this to use for myself? I love it because, I mean, there's so many reasons. The bonus pages look amazing. You can customize the colors. You can add different bonus badges. You can tweak the whole bonus page. You can add a video, of course. Now, as well, there are built-in bonuses, which, a lot of the time you don't get with these bonus page creators. It's a one-time fee as well, and it is going to be hosted by Jorge. He's not going to disappear or vanish unless he gets kidnapped or something, but that's not going to happen. Now, the bonuses that we're giving away with this, honestly, I thought that we were going to give them away as an upsell, an OTO. So if you look down the page, you'll see the actual bonuses that we're giving away. One of them is one that I actually was saying to Jorge, we should launch this as like another software because you can create amazing landing pages with it and you can track the results. So you can see the location, the IP address of everybody that clicks that this funnel, this opt-in page. That's just a bonus I'm talking about. I'm not even talking about the main product. So you can scroll down, check out the bonuses. I mean, this is amazing. It's self-hosted. If you're an affiliate marketer, you need this, and you have everything done for you, self-hosted. It takes literally 2 or 3 minutes to create a bonus page. I've done a demo down there. You can check out. I mean, I tried to make the demo as short as I can, but there's just so much that this software does that it's a bit longer than 2 or 3 minutes, but that's how long it takes to create a full bonus page with bonuses, tweaking the colors, adding in different bonus badges. There's just so much choice there. And I love this product. It's something that I'll be using myself. So yeah, that's what I think of this. And I hope you guys think the same. Check out the sales page, scroll down below and have a look.
Not only that, Mark, I guess one of the things that you actually love about this product is about that these pages are going to be ranked in Google. So people is, yeah, you always forgot that. I
I
always
always
forget that.
forget that. It's one of my favorite features. Yeah, when we were speaking about this, I have to say, Jorge is amazing. He created this. And every little like idea that I had, I'd say, would it be possible to do this? And then while I'm watching the software, have it open, Jorge is changing it in real time. And I'm like, "Oh, wow, so that's done then, I guess." So, every little idea that I had to make it, maybe a little bit better, Jorge put in. And one of those things, which of course I should, it's one of my favorite things, is that we've verified this domain in Google Search Console. So if you've ever had a website, you'll know what that means. It's verified in Google Search Console. Every time you create a new bonus page, and if you put a written review, and I think the power of text is brilliant, a lot of people don't want to watch a video; they just want to, read a review. They've already decided they just want to be, sold a little bit more. Scroll down, check out the bonuses, and click buy. But anyway, you put in this little short description or a written review, and once you publish that, it goes on to our unique dynamic sitemap, which means that there's a very high chance that you can get picked up by Google and rank in Google, which is completely free traffic.
That's it. It's the ranking Google. You have also the ability of using opt-ins in your page in case you want to get more people there. So as I told before, I've been using for more than a year. I started programming this a year and a half, and I'm tweaking it day by day. I'm turning crazy, Mark, because as soon as he records the training, I'm changing. Hey, Mark, you have to re-record this again because I added this or that to the software. So I'm killing him, I know, but I know this is a good software I've been using for more than a year, and have a look at all the specs that are in this page. And not sure, Mark, if you want to add anything, because I know it's
You
time
know,
is important, but go there.
You know what? I'm just going to go completely off script and say I have a little notepad behind the camera here because there's so many things that I wanted to mention, but I'm just going to go for it. So it creates great looking bonus pages. They're all self-hosted, comes with bonuses ready to use. You can tweak the colors, gradient colors to make the bonus page maybe match the sales page. We have multiple bonus badges, so you can choose like exclusive bonus one, or there's a variation of four of them. Plus, you can just add in the actual picture of what the bonus is. You can create opt-in forms to add to your bonus page. We call them opt-in blocks, but they're basically little like boxes that people can sign up, and the, it's a list building tool basically as well. Um, it's verified, yes, so you can rank. The bonuses you get are not just some PDFs, but full badass trainings that you would normally, half are from Jorge, half are from me. And the ones that I got, I paid quite a lot of money to get them put together. And I actually thought we were going to use them as an upsell, but Jorge's put them into the software. So what can we do? But yeah, that was me going off script a bit. Also, I created really detailed training, so yeah, it's easy to use, and yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to say. And scroll down, check it out, and click that buy button, guys.
Nice, Mark. Thanks. As you said before, just go there, have a look at everything. Ask us if you need any clarification about, I'm not sure about this or about that. We are here to help. So go there, go to the buy button, and start earning money together. Bye.
Thanks, guys.